Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we are going to discuss about robust length of stay prediction model for indoor patients. This is the abstract of our project. The main objective of our project is to identify or predict the length of stay for the particular patient in the indoor by using the different classification algorithms. So here what algorithm which we are used means two machine learning algorithms such as random forest and decision tree. Okay, so length of stay is important performance indicator for costing and hospital management and key measure for efficiency. So it is a difficult to analyze because it is a statistical distribution is non-normal and length of stay data have many outliers. So here we need to collect on input data set from some dataset repositories. So the dataset name is LOS dataset, that is the length of stay dataset. The dataset format is .csv. Then the system is developed the different classification machine learning algorithms such as random forest and decision tree. With the help of this algorithm, so we need to identify the length of stay patient's details. Then finally, so we can estimate some performance metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall and F1 score. So based on that accuracy for both models, so we need to compare this, so which one is efficient, and finally so we conclude which algorithm is efficient, as well as so we need to identify or detect the length of the stay for particular patients. So this is the overview of our project. Okay, then this is the flow of our diagram. We are collecting our input data set. Length of stay data set was some dataset repositories. With the help of pandas package, so we can read our collected data. The collected data is carried out to pre-processing step. In this step we can check missing values. Handling missing values means so we need to check any missing values is present or not. If you have any missing values means we need to replace that missing values by zeros. Why we are checking missing values means for avoid wrong prediction. Then label encoding. So label encoding means we need to convert the string into numeric integer value. Then pre-processed data are carried out to EDA, exploratory data analysis. So this is used for just visualize the your data set in the form of graph. Then data splitting. So here we can split the whole data set into test and train. Test is used for prediction and train is used for evaluation. Based on ratio, so we can split our data set. Then classification. So in classification we can implement two different algorithms. One is random forest, another one is decision tree. So with the help of this classification, so we can calculate or identify the number of days the particular patient will be stay. Next, finally performance estimation. So here we can estimate some performance metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall and F1 score. So accuracy is the overall prediction, how our model predict accurately. Then visualization. So this is the flow of our project. Yeah, so this is our demo, that is the output demo. So we are running our project in Anaconda Navigator, that is the Spider IDE. So this is first module, data selection. So here we can select our input data and display some sample of data here. Then checking missing values. Checking missing values means so these are the columns which is present in our data set. 0 indicates there is no missing values, and this is the indicates number of missing values is present. Then after checking missing values, so we need to replace all the missing values by 0 for avoid wrong prediction. Then before label encoding. Label encoding means we need to convert the string into numeric integer value. Then after label encoding, so we need to convert that string into numeric. So this is the before and this is the after label encoding. Then data splitting, so here we can split the whole data set into test and train. So this is the total number of data, this is the total number of test data and total number of train data. This is the result for decision tree. So in the decision tree, so we can estimate some performance values such as error values like a mean absolute error and mean square error, root mean square error and accuracy. This is the random forest result like then prediction. So prediction for testing a 10 test data. So then this is the visualization graph. Thank you.